Hi, today we're going to show you how to repair some aspects of the gyro mixer. First we take out the belt and we're gonna use a fine file or a rasp to get a deeper path on the moving parts where the belt goes. This will help you to prevent the belt from skipping. Get on the all moving parts. And we're gonna put the belt back. One side at a time. All right, it's done.